We want to prepare fried rice, and so we start by setting up the fire. We're gonna do it the traditional way. This is onion and bay leaf. The onions and the bay leaf is toast in the vegetable oil. The vegetable oil of choice is king's oil. And what do you think is inside here, inside the oil, in addition to the bay leaf? That's your garlic and your ginger powder. I'm gonna allow you to, in the comment section, tell us what spices you think went into this oil. We were trying to make the base of our fried rice, and that's why we're seeing us frying all this. Next thing is our rice going inside. The rice is going to be stir fried for a while. We stir fry, stir fry, stir fry until the whole spice is mixed up with the rice properly and thoroughly. Next thing we're going to go in with the turkey stock. The turkey stock is needed because if you want your rice to be very sweet, then you need your turkey or chicken stock, and that is what we're doing right here. Now this other ingredient is a secret bomb here. This is pepper, green bell pepper and the red pepper. We just blended everything and pour it inside the rice, and then we stir it again, add the appropriate water and allow it to boil till the rice is soft, not really so soft, but okay, just the way we would want to use it for our rice. And this is the rice ready to be stir fried inside the vegetables. Apparently cooking is not a gender thing. Anybody could literally cook, be you a male or a female. I'm a guy and I'm cooking. So what we'll do here is that we'll try to add the spices again. What spices do you think went in here? Let's see in the comment section. The first vegetable we are going to fry is the carrot because it's the hardest of them all. Then we're going to add our green peas, our green beans, and our sweet corn. We'll fry everything, and after frying everything, we will mix them in our the already prepared rice base for the fried rice. And that's basically all you need to do. So just stay tuned, watch the entire process, comment what you think we did wrong, comment what you think we would have done better, and tell us where you're watching from. I mean, just enjoy the video. It's remaining small for it to be done, but this fried rice was so delicious. We also made peppered turkey to go with the rice, and the people who enjoyed this rice, this was for the regional convention of Jehovah's Witnesses. It was truly relish. People enjoyed this rice, and I'm glad that they did. Yeah. At this point, I had to take off the bay leaf because kids are going to eat this rice. I do not want them to mistakenly eat the bay leaf, as I am told is a dangerous thing. So I have to take off the bay leaf so that kids could eat the rice unsupervised. All right. So that's what I'm trying to do right here.